Let's create this design from Zeno. We'll try to create something a little bit different though, but let's draw inspiration from this. Okay, so I'm going to go back to color and I'll just select white color. Right. Okay, so I'm going to bring in a background right here. This background. Okay. I would only make sure that it is greenish. Right. Then I'm going to bring a shape here. It's going to serve as this guy here. Alright, something like that. Then we're gonna bring in another shape. This time around is going to be here. I'm going to bring it down, bring it here also. I will do this. Alright, so now for us to pick the colors from the original design, I'm going to bring it in. Right, so I'm going to click and I'll pick it from here. Alright, so I'm going to bring in the image now. Right, then I'm going to bring this guy here. So we could just use the yellow color for it. Alright, then let's bring in this guy. It's going to be here. Rotate it again like this. Still increase it. It's going to be there. Change the color. Alright, let it have the same color with this. Alright, so let's go. Let's bring this guy to the front. So right here you have just your specially invited to my. So I'm just gonna pick this out. Okay, so I'm gonna use poppins. Okay. Right, so we have this guy here. So it says here, both taking / induction ceremony. Right, so we change the font. Let's use this. Right, increase it. We'll close off the space, line spacing. Leads in like this. Alright, so I'll copy this. Write the name of the person. Chinemere Lucia Eroka. Okay. And then all right. CPO. Alright, so push this here like this. Alright, then the off can come here. We use a script font for it. The color should change. But to this, move it to the top. We'll go to padding and we'll bring out the parts that are hidden. Let's move this guy too. Alright, so we have something like this. Then the others is going to be just the basic information that are there. This guy is going to come here. So we have here department of. Okay, so let me just copy it directly from here. I'm just going to copy it from here. Right, and I'm going to paste it here. It's all weary. So we have this. Alright, so I'm going to go here and I'll change from here. I'm going to change it to this guy. Alright, so I'll move Federal University down away, and then I can put it here like this. Okay. Alright, so we can still bring this guy here. We'll copy it here. Then we'll paste this into the blah 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 blah. This also will separate it from here. Alright, so we can just reduce this and bring it here. Alright, so we can copy this, put it here, paste this guy here. Alright, okay, so alright, beside our name there is this title, whatsoever it is there, in brackets, so we can put it just at the corner here. Alright, this okay. Alright. Alright, so what we want to do next is to use lines to create demarcations here. Put one here. And just carefully move it down here. Alright, there is another one here. So just copy this one and then we'll move it. Alright, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tutorial like this. So I'm going to move this like this, then I'll move it like this. Alright, so I think we can copy this guy now. Copy, reduce it, move it like this, and put it there. Right, then we can also bring this guy, then copy this again, and then do it like this. Alright, increase it. Fence at the back, so we could send it to the back like this. Then we'll send this to the back like this. We still need to frame that guy. Alright, so we'll have something like this. So what's remaining here now is this information that we've got here. That's the date and every other thing. So let's get it done. So I'm just going to copy one of these. Alright, change the color to black because it's a dark background. So I'm just going to copy this. I'll paste the venue here. I'll just reduce this like this, reduce it. Alright, so I'm going to bring in this guy now. This I'll just come over here. I would go to erase color and then just enable it and it will be gone. So we'll just first bring this one here. It's gonna be the venue. Then we'll crop it out like this. Right. Then we can copy it. Alright, so move it here. I don't crop it again. Pick the time, I think. Alright, so the date. Can reduce it now and just put it there, adjust it. So it's going to be 19 December 2023. So just copy this one. So we'll just start it here, 19th December 2023. Alright, you can just increase this. Right, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends. So I'm still going to move this guy again like this. Just try to increase it so that you can easily pick it. Alright, then you can make an adjustment to it. So for the time here we have 10 a.m. blah 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 blah. So I'm just going to copy this. Try to move it here. Alright, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel? There are more tutorials coming, so just going to write this. Okay, so just position it there. Alright, can even increase this guy small, and then we'll move it here. Okay, so with this you think we're done. Alright, then you can go ahead and save your design and do whatever you want to do. I want to bring in this guy here. Alright, this I'm just going to change the color. Let's try white. Alright, so we just reduce the opacity like this. Then you're good to go. My name is Nia Moda and I will see you in another tutorial. Don't forget to like this video, share it with a friend, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. I will see you.